Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing well. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain trigonometry problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. Find the value of cos 36 minus cos 72. We have cos 36 value. Cos 36 is equal to sin 54 equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. Okay. Cos 72. Cos 72 is equal to sin 18. Cos 72 equal to sin 18 equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Okay. So what is required? Cos 36 minus cos 72. So cos 36 value root 5 plus 1 by 4 minus this is root 5 minus 1 by 4. These two are like fractions. Okay. What is LCM? 4 root 5 plus 1 minus root 5 minus into minus plus 1. 1 root 5 get cancelled. So this is 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. So answer is 1 by 2. Okay, look at the next question. Find the value of sin 12a by sin 4a minus cos 12a by cos 4a. Okay. So let us do LCM sin 4a into cos 4a. Okay, after LCM this will be sin 12a into cos 4a minus cos 12a into sin 4a. Okay, this will be, we have one formula sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay, so what is the formula? Sin a minus b. Okay, sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Cos x minus y. Cos x minus y. Where x relation 12a and y relation 4a. Right. This whole divided by sin 4a into cos 4a. Okay. 1, 2 divide and multiply. We have 2 sin 4a cos 4a. We have one formula 2 sin theta cos theta equal to sin 2 theta. Okay. So 2 sin 4a cos 4a. This is going to be sin 8a. So 2 times of sin 12a minus 4a is 8a. So denominator, this is in the form of 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta. Okay, we have this formula sin 8a. Sin 8a get cancelled. Answer will be 2. Okay, moving on, next question. Find the value of cos theta minus cos 3 theta by cos theta plus sin 3 theta by sin theta. Okay, we have cos 3 theta as well as sin 3 theta formula. Cos 3 theta formula 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Sin 3 theta formula 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Okay, right. So cos theta minus cos 3 theta. We have 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta upon cos theta plus sin theta. We have sin 3 theta also 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. This whole divided by sin theta. Okay. In this cos theta, so minus 4 cos cube theta. So minus into minus plus 3 cos theta. This whole divided by cos theta plus sin theta plus 3 sin theta 4 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta by sin theta. Okay. In this cos theta plus 3 cos theta 4 cos theta, 1 cos theta take out common. 1 plus 3 4. Okay, 4 plus 4 minus 4 cos square theta. So 4 cos 3 4 cos theta minus 4 cos cube theta. In this one cos theta take out common, 4 minus 4 cos square theta, okay, by cos theta. This will be 4 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta by sin theta. Okay, one sin theta take out common in this one. Sin theta into 4 minus 4 sin square theta upon sin theta. So one sin theta as well as cos theta get cancelled. So 4 plus 4, 8. 8 minus 4 cos square theta minus 4 sin square theta. In this minus 4 take out common. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. So this will be 8 minus 4 times of 1. We have cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. So 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So what is the answer? 4 answer. Let us go to the next problem. Find the value of root under 2 plus root under 2 plus root under 2 plus 2 cos 8 theta. Okay. So what is given? Root under 2 plus root under 2 plus root under, in this 1 2 take out common, 2 into 1 plus cos 8 theta. Okay. We have one formula, 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta equal 2 cos square theta. 2 cos square half of 2 theta. Half of 2 theta is nothing but theta. So 1 plus cos 8 theta. So root under 2 plus root under 2 plus root under 2 times of, so 1 plus cos 8 theta. We have 2 cos square half of 8 theta. Half of 8 theta is 4 theta. This formula is 2 cos square 4 theta. Okay. Now I say that root under 2 plus root under 2 plus, so 4 cos square 4 theta. So root under 4 cos square 4 theta is nothing but 2 cos 4 theta. So root under 2 plus root under, in this one 2 take out common, this will be 1 plus cos 4 theta. 1 plus cos 4 theta. Okay. So this is equal to root under 2 plus root under 2 into, we have 1 plus cos 4 theta. 1 plus cos 4 theta formula 2 cos square half of 4 theta. So 2 cos square 2 theta. 2 cos square 2 theta. This will be 2 plus root under, okay, 4 cos square 2 theta. 4 cos square 2 theta root is 2 cos 2 theta. In this one 2 take out common, 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta, we have formula 2 cos square half of 2 theta. That is 2 cos square theta. So 4 cos square theta, root under 4 cos square theta, this will be 2 cos theta. So root under 4 cos square theta, okay, this will going to be 2 cos theta. So what is the answer? 2 cos theta. Okay, moving on, next question. Find the value of sin theta by 8. Okay, we have formula sin theta, 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. This whole divided by sin theta by 8. Okay, so 2 times of, we have sin theta by 2 formula. So what is the formula? Sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay. So this means this is half angle formula, 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. In this sin theta by 2 formula, this is going to be 2 sin theta by 4 cos theta by 4 into cos theta by 2. This whole divided by sin theta by 8. Okay. So sin theta by 2. So half of theta by 2 is theta by 4. So 2 sin theta by 4 cos theta by 4. So 4 times of, okay, we have sin theta by 4. Half of theta by 4 is theta by 8. So this formula is 2 sin theta by 8 into cos theta by 8. So remaining cos theta by 4, right, cos theta by 2. This whole divided by sin theta by 8. So sin theta by 8 get cancelled. So this is the answer. What is the answer? 8. 4 to the 8 cos theta by 2. Cos theta by 4. Cos theta by 8. Let us go to the next problem. Cos x plus cos y plus cos z and sin x plus sin y plus sin z values are given. Then we have to find cos square x minus y by 2. Okay. So from this equation, plus cos z bring the right side. So cos x plus cos y equal to minus cos z. Okay, let us take equation 1. In this equation, plus sin z bring the right side. So sin x plus sin y equal to minus sin z. Okay, let us take second equation. But our target is cos square of x minus y by 2. Okay, let us do equation 1 whole square plus equation 2 whole square. So what is the equation 1 whole square? Cos x plus cos y whole square plus the equation 2 whole square sin x plus sin y whole square. This will be cos square z plus sin square z. Okay. So we should applying a plus b whole square formula. Cos square x plus cos square y, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 cos x cos y. Okay, this is in the form of a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So sin square x plus sin square y plus 2 sin x into sin y is equal to, this value will be 1. Cos square z plus sin square z value 1. Okay. So cos square x plus sin square x, this value will be 1. Cos square y plus sin square y, this is also 1. In this remaining 1, 2 take out common, cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. So this will be 1. Both sides 1 get cancelled. This plus 1 bring the right side. 2 cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. This is cos a minus b cos x minus y equal to minus 1. Okay. Okay, we got 2 cos x minus y equal to minus 1. Therefore cos x minus y equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. We have minus 1 by 2 equal to cos 120 degrees. Okay. Cos 120. This can be written as cos 90 plus 30. Cos 90 plus theta value minus sin 30. Okay, this is second quadrant. So minus sin 30. This is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. So cos x minus y. This will be cos 120. Therefore x minus y equal to 120 degrees. But what is our target? So required is cos square x minus y by 2. This will be cos square, where x minus y value we have got 120 by 2. This is cos 60. Cos square 60. Cos 60 value 1 by 2 whole square. This is going to be 1 by 4. So what is the answer? 1 by 4. Okay, look at the next question. Find the value of 4 sin cube 75 minus 3 cos 15. Okay. We have one formula, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. This will be cos 3 theta. Okay. This sin 75. Sin 75 is nothing but cos 15. 4 sin cube. This 75 can be written as 90 minus 15 minus 3 cos 15. Okay, now this is going to be 4 sin 90 minus theta. We have cos theta. This is cos cube 15 minus 3 cos 15. So this will be 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. What is the formula? Cos 3 theta, where theta place in 15, right? This is cos 45. So cos 45 value, we have 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Okay, look at the next question. So tan A value given 1 minus cos B by sin B. Okay, then find out tan 2A minus tan B. Okay, so what is given? Tan A. Tan A equal to, we have 1 minus cos B formula 2 sin square B by 2. What is the formula? 1 minus cos B. So we have 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. Okay, so 1 minus cos B is 2 sin square B by 2. So denominator sin B, we have sin theta formula 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay, so sin B is nothing but 2 sin B by 2 cos B by 2. Okay, so on 2 as well as sin B by 2 get cancelled. So this is going to be, so tan A is equal to sin B by 2 by cos B by 2. Okay, now I say that this value tan B by 2. Okay, therefore A is equal to B by 2. Okay, if same trigonometric ratios, so angles are equal. So A is equal to B by 2, therefore 2A is equal to B. Okay, our target, what is our target? So required is tan 2A minus tan B. This is going to be tan, where 2A value, we have got B. So tan B, right, minus tan B. So tan B get cancelled. This will be 0. So what is the answer? 0. Let us go to the next problem, where theta lies between 180 and 270. Okay, this is nothing but theta lies in third quadrant. Cot theta value given 4 by 3. Then find out sin theta by 2. Okay, so what is given condition? Where theta lies between 180 and 270. Therefore theta lies in third quadrant. Okay, what is given? Cot theta value given 4 by 3. So from this triangle, cot theta formula adjacent side by opposite side, hypotenuse is 5. Okay, next our target is sin theta by 2. Sin theta by 2, we have formula plus or minus root under 1 minus cos theta by 2. So where theta lies in 180 and 270. So divide 2 on both sides. 180 by 2 less than theta by 2 less than 270 by 2, 135. This is 90. So theta by 2 lies in 90 and 135. So theta by 2 lies between 90 and 135. This is lies in second quadrant. Okay, where theta by 2 lies in second quadrant, sin theta by 2 is positive. So therefore sin theta by 2 is positive in second quadrant. Therefore sin theta by 2 is equal to plus root under 1 minus cos theta by 2. Root under 1 minus cos theta by 2. This will be root under 1 minus cos theta. From this triangle, we have to find cos theta value. So cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse 4 by 5. But theta lies in third quadrant. Cos theta is negative. Okay, minus 4 by 5. So therefore cos theta value minus 4 by 5 by 2. This value will be, okay, minus into minus plus, so 5 plus, let us do LCM, 9 by 10 root under. This is nothing but 3 by root 10. So what is the answer? 3 by root 10. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next class. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget like.